Guys, we haven't done our chemistry project about vinegar yet, and it's due tomorrow. What are we gonna do?
Well, my bad, guys. I was too busy baking.
What were you baking?
Well, I was just baking cookies with my sister.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, I'm late. I was watching Mr. Moore's new math video, and what's up, guys?
Anyways, I learned that putting vinegar in batter actually makes it rise.
That sounds weird. Like, wouldn't that taste bad?
Oh, in certain recipes, you can barely taste it at all.
Vinegar's an acid, right?
Yeah, we know vinegar is an acid because it dissolves in tooth enamel, removes oxide residue from metals, and it is sour.
And due to its acidic properties, it is included in many cookie and cake batter recipes, since when it reacts to baking soda, it produces carbon dioxide that causes the batter to rise.
That makes an odd amount of sense.
Yeah, and it's helpful to know this information, since if you're making a vegan baked good, you can substitute the eggs with vinegar to add lift to your batter.
That's really cool, Jarek. But does anyone know the chemical formula for vinegar?
I have a question. What is the chemical formula for vinegar?
I just said that.
I have this memorized. It's
CH3COOH.
Bless you.
how is vinegar made?
I can answer that.
Vinegar is formed by the fermentation of ethanol, which is alcohol, in acetate acid bacteria.
So basically, vinegar is made like beer.
It's funny how cleaning detergent can be used for cakes.
Yeah, kind of ironic, honestly.
I remember that in one of Miss Swanson's lessons, she said that vinegar has a pH of about 2.5.
Yeah, she also said that the name comes from vin aigre, which means sour wine in French. That's besides the point.
Here, so in an acid-base reaction, kind of like this one, what would the acid, the conjugate base, and the base and the conjugate acid be?
Considering that vinegar has a hydrogen ion to lose, it would be the acid, and that would make water the base.
And because the vinegar loses its ion, it would be the conjugate base as CH3COO negative charge, and water would be the hydronium ion as the conjugate acid.
Oh, wow. Good job, Jazz.
Let's go.
Okay, this is a hard question, but here it goes. What is the hydronium concentration of vinegar?
I can do this one. So all you have to do is by using the formula 10 to the power of the negative pH, we can determine this.
Well, what we get is 3.2 times 10 to the negative 3.
I wanted to say that.
And for the hydroxide concentration,
We can figure this out by doing the same thing, but with the POH, which is 14 subtract 2.5.
And now we get 3.16 times 10 to the negative 12.
Yay.
That's neat.
Yeah.
Now let's say we have a neutralization reaction. How can we determine the concentration of an unknown base or an unknown acid?
so let's say that acetic acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate. To determine it, we'd have to use the molar formula.
Oh yeah, isn't it M equals moles over liters?
That's absolutely right. Good job.
To convert it to moles, it'll be moles equal to molarity times liters.
And then we need to divide or multiply according to the molar ratio and divide that by the liters.
Guys, if we added the indicator bromethanol blue, what color would vinegar turn?
Wait, I got this.
Alright.
Since we have a substance that has a pH of around 2 to 3, it would turn a yellow color. And this is because that the higher the pH, the bluer it gets, and the lower the pH, the more yellow it gets, right?
Yeah, good job, JP.
Okay, that's all that's left. Is putting this into a PowerPoint presentation.
Guys, I have a big brain idea. What if this is our presentation?